Hi, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got one from an Umai Crate subscription box. You want to get one of those, just go over to japancrate.com, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. And it's one from Itsuki. This is Akakara Ramen. Or Akakaka Ramen. Ramen. Yeah. Doesn't that look nice? Kumamoto Prefecture is where this stuff hails from in Japan. You know, the place where ramen originated. We got a gooey sachet, we got a dry powder sachet, we got a couple of bits from when I had to cut the package and scan it, and we got a whole mess of noodles that I want to pop out of here. Whoa! One grip of noodle into 500 mils of boiling water. Come on, get in there. There we go. 3 minutes. I do not have an Itsuki hat, so therefore, there is no Itsuki hat being worn. So I'm wearing a nondescript hat. It's kind of a thing. If I did have an Itsuki hat or an Itsuki shirt, I would wear one or the other. Or if I had both, I might wear both. But, you know. Oh, I hear Elmo. Somebody's got their tablet up kind of loud. So I'm doing a test today. I've got my daughter down for her nap. Did lunch earlier than normal because a week from today, Miles goes back to school and I can stop doing my freaking apartment laps. I'll do some before I go out on my big walks, but it's just like, that'll be nice. Get out, bring the boombox, freak out the people. And guess what I did yesterday? I'm super stoked. On her stroller, I like totally frickin' deck it out. So I got 3 sets of 100 LED lights. They're just white. They call them soft white or warm white. They're white. And they take 3 AA's each. And you can click them, click the button on the box. It'll cycle through different light patterns and such. But yeah, I went to town with a grip of zip ties and stuff. And I've got one more set coming. I think it's 150 of these little fairy light ones. And they've got a special spot. There's a spot on the awning for the stroller that pops up so you can look in. Well, I know she's in there, right? So I never use it. We just play with it every once in a while. But I'm going to put lights in there so she has a moonroof kind of thing. But it's not going to be a moonroof. It's just going to be lights. So it's going to be fun. But yeah, that'll bring the grand total. I think those are 150 lights. So that'd be 452. Because I also have these ultra bright flashlights I zip tied onto the sides. And it takes same kind of batteries my vape does. They're 18650s. So I can just charge them in my vape battery charger. I'd use my vape batteries, but these are button top ones and they're Chinese and they weigh nothing. They're very strange. I think it took 20 minutes to go from 0 charge to fully charged, which kind of has me going, what? But what? I was all like, what? God, listen to me. I apologize. I don't know, I'm kind of in a good mood today. You'll have to hear about that in the next episode. But I started doing something new. And it's working out well. God, dude, turn down your tablet. You've already woken up Miriam. She's screaming in there. She just needs to shush and take a nap. That's kind of the deal lately. They've both decided that their vocal cords are their best friend where they're not. Like when we go to the... God, where were we at the other day? Was it Walmart? They were just like... No, we went out to eat. We grabbed my... We grabbed Andy, my 14-year-old boy, and he just started high school. So like, really stoked. He's had trouble in school in the past, and it sounds like this is just like the perfect fit. He's a character, I tell you. He's like, I really like it. It's really good. Yeah. I'm like, well, I've told you, son, how much I hated high school, so the fact that you enjoy it makes me kind of jealous, but it makes me happy. Yeah, it's like, God, you like high school? Okay. I am not going to tell you there's anything wrong with that. You're lucky. I don't know. He's only been there for what? Today's his 4th day. Well, it sounds like everything's all working out well for him. So I am proud as hell to hear that. Okay, let's give these a try. Akakara, huh? They're Itsuki, they're from Kumamoto. They're hot. Mmm. Look. Oh yeah. Oh, this music is so fitting for this. I'm gonna pause this. Just like ultra cheesy, like somebody's sitting reading a magazine in a hotel room music. Perfect. Because you know, when you're in your hotel room, what better place to read a magazine? I don't know. Do you know of a better place to read magazines? I don't, other than the bathroom. That's where everybody likes to read magazines, from what I've heard. In my experience, the magazine reading is a very, very time-honored thing to do, especially in restrooms. If that's your thing to do, well, that music is for you. There's an egg. Did those up earlier. I only had 2 left, so I have 2 eggs on things for today. There's some chashu for you. Shit. No. Damn it. This wasn't supposed to be the cursing episode. This was supposed to be the let's read magazines in the bathroom episode. Damn it, damn it, damn it. Now there's like sirens going on at YouTube saying, this might not be appropriate content for advertisers. Your advertising quota won't be as high because you've been cursing in your videos. Naughty. I don't care. I just dropped a frickin' what looked to be a pretty decent egg like this one on the floor. Plus, it made a mess. So, sorry, snowflakey advertisers. Sure, nothing ever happens to you. Eat out of my butt. Here comes the cavalcade, folks. It's just like big load of bullshit. There we go. Now what? That like totally threw off my stuff. Let me get this all ready. The sooner I get this ready, the sooner we can hear that absolutely appropriate music for this. We're gonna go with some black sesame seeds on this. God, this stuff is so thick, giving luxuriant brothy broth. It's got a nice little bit of spice, and it's just as rich as frickin' can be. And yeah, this is a keeper. It's a keeper. That was some shichimis, black sesame seed. I'm gonna go crazy with the oil because you know it behooves me to go crazy with oil. And I think that is what we got. See how we look on the magic looker thingy. Yeah, I think the magic looker thingy agrees. Man, that sucks about that egg though. Like, well, no matter. Let's put on the weird softcore porn music and enjoy the rotation. Oh yeah. Ooh, reading magazines in the bathroom. Yeah, reading the magazines while in the bathroom. Eggs. Chashu pork. Yeah. See, I was thinking that's just like the perfect song. What's going to be up next? I bet it's going to be horrible. Gentlemen, for those of you who seem to be extremely sensitive to certain things, this might not have been the episode for you. But for those of you who are a little more hardy, good God, that's noisy. Jeez. For those of you who enjoy a nice bowl of ramen, this is one. So if you want to look it up, this is from the September Umai crate. Go over to Japan crate. They might know about it. I think they sell the ones that they have on their site. But either way, if you really want to try this one, look up the barcode. And the barcode is 499626014400. And just enter that into Google. Just do it, and you'll find it. And you'll see from the picture. So, all right. Oh, it's ancient Chinese concoction music. Listen. Asia comes the flavors of your life. Chashu pork, soft yolk egg, spring onion, mung bean sprouts, and special noodles all nestled in a rich, spicy tonkatsu style broth from Kumamoto, Japan. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.